Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain how to construct the quadrilaterals. Construction of quadrilaterals. Yesterday already I gave the what are the properties of quadrilaterals and which types of quadrilaterals are there and how many measurements are required to construct any type of quadrilateral. I gave the table in yesterday's class. Okay. Today, how to construct the quadrilaterals. In one quadrilateral is given like that. When the four sides are given and one angle is given. Four sides and one angle is given. How to construct the quadrilateral? Today we will discuss about that one. When the lengths of four sides and one angle are given. First one. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ equals to 4.5 centimeters, QR equals to 5.2 centimeters, RS equals to 5.5 centimeters, PS equals to 4 centimeters, and angle PQR is equal to 120 degrees. This is the given information. Four sides and one angle is given to construct the quadrilateral. Okay. When you construct the quadrilateral, first draw the rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Rough sketch. Rough diagram. Okay, quadrilateral. PQRS. Okay, PQ 4.5 centimeters. QR 5.2 centimeters. RS 5.5 centimeters. PS 4 centimeters. Angle PQR equals to 120 degrees. This is the rough sketch. Now, our page will divide into two parts. For example, this is your paper. Divide into two half parts. The upper part, you will draw the construct the quadrilateral, and down you write the steps of construction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay. First, PQ equals to 4.5 centimeters, QR equals to 5.2 centimeters, R equals to 5.5 centimeters, PS equals to 4 centimeters. These are four sides, lengths of the sides of four sides of the given quadrilateral, and angle PQR is equals to 120. That means PQR. So this is 120 degrees. Okay. First step. Draw a line segment PQ is equals to 4.5 centimeters with the help of scale. Okay. Draw a line segment .5 centimeters. PQ 4.5 centimeters. Steps. First one. Draw a rough sketch, rough diagram. Second one. Draw a line segment PQ equals to 4.5 centimeters. After that, with Q as center, QR is equal to 5.2 centimeters. Draw an arc with the help of compass. So, take the scale 5.2 centimeters. With the Q as center, the point Q with the R, QR equals to 5.2 centimeters. Draw an arc with Q. You take the compass, okay, on Q and draw an arc. How much measurement? QR equals to 5.2 centimeters with the help of compass. And third one, RS. Okay, RS. So, where is R? We don't know. Where is S? We don't know. And okay, this is leave it. PS. S is there? No, but P is there. So, with PS center, PS equals to 4 centimeters. PQRS. So, PS equals to 4 centimeters. Draw another arc. Okay, 4 centimeters. Okay, this is the PS is equals to 4 centimeters. PS completed, PQ completed, QR completed. Now, RS. Where is RS? The R point we don't know, and S point also we don't know. But RS equals to 5.5 we don't know. The other one is PQR angle is given. So draw the angle PQR angle. How to draw the angle PQR equals to 120 degrees. Okay. Look at the board, children. Take some radius. With the compass, draw an arc. Take some radius. Draw an arc. Okay. The same radius. Draw two arcs before the two arcs joining. Before the arcs, like this, and this one. The first arc is touching here. This Q and this point is 60 degrees. The next one is these two points are joined. Here the angle is 140 degrees. Take some radius. Draw an arc. Okay. With the same radius, draw another two arcs. Like here. This one and this one. Okay. Join Q and the second intersecting arc. This is X. QX ray intersect QR arc at point R. Okay. The arc and ray intersect at a point QR. QR 5.2. This is the arc. Okay. The arc and here 120 degrees angle ray. This arc and ray intersect at a point. That point is R. Okay. So this is 5.2 centimeters. Okay. Now you know the points P, Q, and R. Now RS. What about RS? 5.5 centimeters. So in this R you know. So with RS center, RS equals to 5.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. With RS center, RS equals to 5.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Okay. This is R. Okay. With the RS center, okay, RS equals to 5.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. These PS arc and RS arc intersect at a point. That point is S. Okay. Now join PS and RS. Okay. PS 4 centimeters, RS 5.5 centimeters. So now this is the required PQRS quadrilateral. Okay. four sides and one angle is given, then draw like this. Okay, now the steps. First step is draw a line segment PQ equals to 4.5 centimeters. Third one, with Q as center, with Q as center, with Q as center, QR equals to 5.2 centimeters. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Again, with the Q as center, Q X-ray, making an angle of 120 degrees. With the Q as center, Q X-ray, making an angle of 120 degrees. Next point. These arc and ray intersect at a point R. These arc and ray intersect at a point R. Next point. So P point you know, Q point you know, R point you know. Okay. Next, with PS center, PS equals to 4 centimeters. Draw an arc. With the PS center, PS equals to 4 centimeters. Draw an arc. Next, again with RS center, RS equals to 5.5 centimeters. With RS center, RS equals to 5.5 centimeters. Draw another arc. Okay. Seventh one. Next, eighth one. Right here. These two arcs intersect at a point name is S. Okay, these two arcs intersect at a point S. Ninth one. Now this point is S, this point is R, P, Q. Join PS and RS. Join PS and RS. Last one. PQRS is the required quadrilateral. This is the construction of quadrilateral when the lengths of four sides and one angle is given. Okay, this is the construction. Okay, next step. construction of angles with the help of compass without using protractor. Without using protractor, we construct some angles that are multiples of 15, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180 and so on. These angles without using the protractor. Without using the protractor. I will give some angles. How to construct the angles. Okay. Look at the board, students. First I will draw 60 degrees and 120 degrees and 90 degrees. 60, 120 and 90. Okay students, listen. Take some radius. First, take a line segment AB. Okay, with B as center. With B as center, take some radius. Okay, take some radius. Draw an arc. Okay. Now, the same radius, take the point where the arc cut with the line. You will take the center as that point, draw an arc. Intersect the first arc at one point. The intersecting point, draw another arc. Okay, draw two arcs. The first arc where cut the full arc, that angle is, this is 60 degrees. Okay, and where the second arc cut here, this angle is 120 degrees. So, first draw a line segment. Take with some radius, with B as center, draw an arc, or A also. Either A or B. Draw an arc here also. Okay. With the same radius, draw two arcs. Intersect the first arc at 2 points. Like this. The first arc is 60 degrees. And where the second arc is intersect, okay, that is 120 degrees. So, this is the 60 degrees angle, this one, the smallest one, and this one is total is 120 degrees. Okay, so first arc is 60 degrees, second arc is 120 degrees. Now 90. How to draw the 90? Same or some radius, take some radius, draw with the where the two 120 degrees and 60 degrees intersecting. You will take the point as centers. These 2 points are the centers. Take with some radius, draw 2 arcs. For example, this one and 60 and 120. This one. Okay. Draw B and these 2 arcs were intersecting. A line segment. Draw these 2 arcs and with B. This is 90 degrees. Okay. This is 90 degrees line. This is 120 degrees line, and this is 60 degrees line. Now 45. Where is the 45? Half of the 0 to 90. 0 to 90. In between them. So same. With the same radius here. The 90 line and 0 degrees. In between half of these 90 and 0. Okay. You take some radius. From the 0 onwards, you draw one arc and 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This. Okay. The 2 arcs intersect where the point is here. Join B and that point. Join B and the intersecting point. This angle is 45 degrees. Okay. 60 completed, 45 completed, 90 completed, 120 completed. Okay. Remaining angles tomorrow we will discuss about the remaining angles. Thank you, students.